HuaYang JingGong Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited, imported bearing replacement expert, professional manufacturer of medium and large spherical polymer bearings, full complement cylindrical roller bearings, and so on. The highest precision can reach P2 level. And we has become a large-scale bearing company with the annual output value over RMB 100 million. Shanghai Motor Industrial Development Company Limited is one of the leading suppliers for the U&V grooved track roller bearings of China. And our factory has been dedicated to the design and the production of the track roller for more than 20 years. Besides the standard track roller bearings, we could also provide the customized service according to the drawing or samples. DEMY Bearings Company Limited is one of the leading manufacturer exporters of ball and roller bearings in China. We are specialized in research and development for various kinds of high-precision non-noise, long-life bearings. We can manufacture more than 12,000 categories of general and special bearings with 9 types and 5 precision classes, according to international standard, national standard, and customer requirements. Longqi Bearing Company Limited as the authoritative import and export supplier of bearings in Shandong Province. We serve customers from all over the world. Since the company has been established with more than 15 years industry experiences, we absorbed stable customer base, and we also had a strong and deeply understanding of the market. We own a strong technical service team and high intelligent technical equipment, which can offer you with quality service and products.